I'm Steve CHAMRAZ. Here are your TMJ4 news headlines. Milwaukee's health department warning the coronavirus testing site at Miller Park is being maxed out. The drive-through is surpassing its designed capacity nearly every day. Some people are being turned away because they run out of tests. If you have another option like a primary doctor, they ask people to try that route first. You can find a free testing site near you at tmj4.com/coronavirus. Pandemic records keep falling in Wisconsin. The state hit an all-time high, 4 new cases for a second day in a row, nearly 7,800. Hospitalizations down for the second day in a row, still at 2,045. Doctors say healthcare needs help, not only from politicians, but from people who can change their behavior.
From a healthcare standpoint, we're tapped out. Our beds are getting full every day. Nurses are exhausted, physicians are exhausted, we're exhausted. The solution has to be outside of our walls now. It's no longer healthcare's, only job to fix this. We need help from the rest of society. We need politicians to get along. We need people to agree on a path that will work.
When a coronavirus vaccine does arrive, much of it could pass through Pleasant Prairie. Pharmaceutical company PFIZER plans to use a facility in the Kenosha County Village to store and ship its vaccine. If approved, the first doses could be out by the end of this year. Now, let's go to meteorologist Brian Goddard for a check of the weather.
Well, Friday, after some early morning flurries, didn't warm up very much despite all that sunshine. Temperatures stayed in the 30s throughout the day, and with that, it's going to be a cold night tonight. We're looking for lows to be in the low 20s inland to the mid-upper 20s inland to the low 30s in the inland areas. We warm up to 48 on Saturday. It's going to be windy, and look for rain to develop late in the afternoon. Rain is likely in the evening and overnight. Could be heavy at times with some rumbles of thunder. Friday, some morning rain. Otherwise, winds gusting to 50 with a high of 45, and the first part of the week looks chilly. That's a look at your forecast. Now here's a look at some more local news.